Hey, it's Jack here, and tonight we're staying at the famous, historic El Rancho Hotel here in Gallup, New Mexico, old Route 66. You go inside the hotel, walk around, show it to you, do the room tour. Let's go inside, check things out. For the evening, there's room 308. That's to our right. All the rooms are named for stars like Dorothy Malone, have Peter Graves, and they've got this Southwest artwork along the wall. John Forsythe, Maria Montez, and tonight, staying in the Broderick Crawford room. And here they go, old school with the key. Put the key in and go inside. Well, as we come in the room, we're greeted with this big king bed. We got a barbed wire collection on the wall. Another photo of a cattle drive, and we'll get a closer look at that photo in just a second. This photo here says Cecil Richardson waits on a customer at his Inspiration House trading post, and it's part of an article. It's like a second page. It doesn't give you the complete story, so I don't know the whole story, what's behind that, but it is kind of neat for an Art Deco type of photo to have in the room. There's a flat screen TV. And they have a desk, there's a clock, there's a ice bucket, a small single cup coffee maker. Also walked right by the closet. As I came in the door, there's a small closet to put your stuff. And you just have some hangers and a luggage rack. And we go into the bathroom. We got a shower curtain with W.C. Fields, and it's definitely retro looking in here at the floor tile on the floor and in the shower. That's the squeak of the shower rail there. And Turraco is their flavor of choice for their shampoo, conditioner, and so forth. So here at the elevator, you push the button, and this is an old school elevator where you manually operate the door. You wait for the elevator to come to your floor. You'll hear a loud click, and then you know it's there. There's the loud click. We open the door up, open the secondary door, and we close the door. Close the secondary door, hit the first floor button, away we go. And we can watch the walls crawl. Wait for the click, open the interior door, open the exterior door, and we're out. Well, tonight we're having dinner at the El Rancho Hotel Restaurant. We open the menu up, and here's one side we have. And here is the other side. Once I figure out what I'm going to get, I'll show it to you. Well, we ended up going with a John Wayne burger. It comes with guacamole there and some cheddar cheese. It's a burger. They got the fries right here. There's tomato, pickle, and onion, and some lettuce, and of course some ketchup for the fries. We'll try this out, see what it tastes like. Well, here's the burger. It's pretty thick and juicy right there, and we'll give it a bite and see what it tastes like. I ordered a medium burger, and it is done perfectly. It's pink in the middle, and the flavor, this was cooked over an open fire, no doubt about it. It has that open fire flavor, and the guacamole and the onion, everything, how it works together, really, really good. We come out here to El Rancho Restaurant Hotel. This is a burger you can try out. I like it. Inside the restaurant, they had this neat fountain. Looks like there's a hard hat there, but the side of it is pretty cool. All these pipes running through and the water running down. Dinner was really good. The fries were very crisp. The burger with the guac on there and the cheddar cheese, amazing. That is the John Wayne burger. All their burgers have Hollywood celebrity stars' names attached to them. They all are a little bit different. If you're out here in this area, you got to come in, check out the burgers. The in-store is open from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. We'll go inside, check things out. They've got Route 66 stuff in here, patches. They've got stuff for the hotel. There's El Rancho Hotel, patch right there. They've got some magnets over here on this side that are the same. They've got other things back here that you see at other roadside stops along Route 66. Some Native American Southwest themed items and a lot of Southwest looking items here along this wall. And you've got some mugs here at the El Rancho Hotel. And if you like snow globes, they've got those here. They have an assortment of t-shirts back over here on this side and baseball caps. There's a El Rancho Motel Hotel baseball cap. Here's your t-shirts. And they sell Duke bourbon right here for $65 a bottle. I've heard that that's pretty good. I've never tried it. Over here they have some El Rancho Hotel keychains. And they've got these t-shirts also over here. And baseball hats. This is real cool. Got the, this looks like just like a lodge on the inside. Over here is John Wayne, and they've got some autographed photos from John Wayne right down there. This one specifically says, "To El Rancho, John Wayne." Here's a piano. I don't know if that's a player piano or not. And they have a shoe shine chair right here. And this is a mural that depicts the journeys from Gallup into the historic wonderlands of the original kingdom of New Mexico and Arizona. And each of these pictures represent something historical. Over here they've got these geodes, and they have some famous pictures that we've seen of some famous southwestern historical figures. This is a view from the second level down into the lobby. Fireplace currently isn't running because of the time of year. Along the walls are autographed photos of the stars. There's Dennis Weaver on the right, Michael Martin Murphy on the left. There's Forrest Tucker, Burt Lancaster. There's Lee Rennick. There's Ben Johnson. Now some of these, the autograph is faded, so it's hard to read if you don't recognize the face. Of course, there's Spencer Tracy, Doris Day, W.C. Fields, James Cagney, there's Earl Flynn, there's Dick Van Dyke, above him is Jimmy Stewart, Fred McMurray there on top, Lee Marvin. I could fill the vlog up with just the pictures on the wall, so I'll stand back and you can check it out for yourself and see if you find one of your favorite actors or actresses. And a lot of these pictures are signed. I don't recognize the faces, and some of the signatures have faded where I can't read them. Up here they've got this balcony. It's locked, so I won't go out there, but they do have a balcony, and like I said, the door is currently locked, so I don't want to be the one to unlock it and go outside and find out I'm not supposed to go out there. So I'll just stay here and look at it from afar. Throughout the first and second level, they've got this type of furniture, this Southwest wagon chairs and tables and lamps and such. Well, this is our view for the evening, looking out across the way at the Best Western Plus. Well, here's our view for the morning. Yeah, we're still looking at the Best Western Plus across the street. Bright and sunny out. There are a few clouds off to our left. Otherwise, it is a clear day. This morning, we're back here at the El Rancho Hotel restaurant, and this is their breakfast menu. Not sure what I'm going to get, but when I find out, I'll bring it to you. Well, to be noted on the menu here, they serve breakfast from 7 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Monday through Saturday, and on Sunday, they serve breakfast till 1. So this is the El Rancho Classic breakfast. It comes with a tortilla. I got scrambled eggs, got some bacon, got some hash browns, and they also threw some ketchup in there. We'll start with the eggs here and see if they are real or fake. Happy to say the eggs are real eggs. I'm finding this to be a trend at restaurants recently. Floppy bacon. Hey, if you like your bacon floppy like this, let me know in the comments. I'd like to hear about it. I prefer mine crispy. What was it like staying here at the El Rancho Hotel here in Gallup, New Mexico? Well, it was definitely a throwback to a time gone by. The term water closet, I never really understood what that meant until I stayed here. Yeah, the bathroom was really tight, slightly larger than a closet, and there was not much room between the toilet and the sink. In fact, there was about one hand length between the toilet and sink. Also, because of the age of the hotel, there was not a lot of water pressure, so the hot water and cold water kind of trickled out of the faucet. The view out the window was just looking at the Best Western Plus across the street, so there was nothing phenomenal about that. The decor here in the lobby with the Southwest feel and the Western feel and the Hollywood Western feel was really cool. Definitely worth coming in and at least spending one night here, going to a throwback and seeing what it was like to travel the Route 66 in the 1930s, 1940s. At the time this hotel was built, it was definitely state-of-the-art. The elevator is a lot of fun. I was actually filming down here in the lobby last night, and this couple was going into the elevator, hitting the button, not realizing that they needed to manually close the door. I went over and helped them out. I felt sorry for them after about 30 seconds. And I said, you've got to close the door. And so they closed the inner door, not the outer door, and they're hitting the button still and not realizing why the elevator wasn't going where. I said, well, you've got two doors. You got to close that outer door, then close the inner door, and then they went up. So that was that was rather funny. Well, I ate the restaurant for dinner last night and breakfast this morning. Dinner last night, the service was phenomenal, quick, the food came out. John Wayne burger, definitely really good. Breakfast this morning was a lot slower pace. There was only 2 girls working the whole floor. They were bussing the tables. They were sitting people down. They were checking people out, trying to deliver the food. So it took a lot longer this morning for breakfast than it did last night for dinner service. Breakfast was still good. Floppy bacon, okay, that's just a me thing. Again, like I said earlier, if you have comments about floppy bacon, I'd love to hear about it. Put that down below. I hope you enjoyed this hotel walkthrough and room tour of El Rancho Hotel off historic Route 66 here in Gallup, New Mexico. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you on the next one.